Hello, how are you? Everybody, I can help you find some of the top trending topics on YouTube right now related to AI. Here are some of them. If you like such stuff, subscribe to my YouTube channel Itfo. 1. YouTube Shorts. This is a short-form content platform that displays vertical videos 60 seconds in length or less. It has crossed 50 billion daily views in February 2023 and is competing with platforms like TikTok. 2. Try-on haul. This is a video style where an influencer receives a haul of clothing from a brand to promote. They try on the clothing and share their opinions about the brand. They also place links to each clothing item in the video description so viewers can purchase them. 3. Lofi music. This is a subgenre of electronic music recorded with imperfections like background noise to aid with concentration and relaxation. It can increase focus while studying or performing deep concentration work tasks. Lofi Girl is the most subscribed Lofi music channel, with 12.6 million subscribers. 4. TikTok Compilation. This is a longer montage video composed of dozens of popular TikTok clips. Viewers search these videos to find longer clips of funny videos, pranks, movie scenes, etc. 5. Blox Fruits. This is a Roblox game inspired by the anime series One Piece. It has become popular on YouTube as creators share game tutorials, progress, and other interesting clips to help viewers become better players. 6. The 8 Biggest Artificial Intelligence AI Trends in 2022. This is a video by Bernard Marr, a best-selling author and keynote speaker on AI and business. He covers the innovations around natural language processing, creative AI, data-centric AI, as well as the democratization of AI via simple self-service user interfaces too. 7. Deepfake AI. This is a technology that uses AI to manipulate or generate realistic images, videos, or audio of people. It can be used for entertainment, education, or malicious purposes. There are many YouTube channels that showcase deepfake examples, such as Control-Shift-Face, The Fakening, and Shamuk 3. 8. Vtubers. These are virtual YouTubers who use animated avatars to represent themselves online. They can stream live or upload videos on various topics, such as gaming, music, or comedy. Some of the most popular Vtubers are Kazuna AI, Gura Gura, and Korone Inugami 4.